Powered by a high-speed motor, the pinions and central bowl gear are machined to AGMA quality Class 13. After passing into the scroll casing, the heated air or gas flows through the interstage piping into the first stage intercooler, causing the moisture to condensate and separate from the lower velocity cooled air. Because FS Elliott intercoolers feature spring-fed tubes, cleaning is possible, rather than costly replacement. As the air travels through the corrosion-resistant plenum, the separated condensate is removed from the compressor through a drain valve located at the bottom of the intercooler enclosure. By regulating the discharge of condensate, the drain valve increases the efficiency of the process by preventing unnecessary compressed air loss. Once the condensate is removed, the cooled air exits the intercooler and flows into the inlet duct for the next stage of compression, during which the entire process is repeated. The compressed air or gas then moves to the aftercooler, where it's cooled and any remaining moisture is removed. This highly energy-efficient process concludes with the delivery of ISO 8573-1 Class 0 certified oil-free air, ready to power a variety of industrial applications. Depending on the number of stages within the configuration, discharge pressure can reach